All right, my first time jumping this. Why you put it so close to the?
So you can land here and don't worry about the trees or
Okay. I should have cut the saddle more. I want to cut the saddle more. I want it all the way down.
But it looks nice, right?
Oh man, this look nice. Looks sick.
Ready?
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
Born ready. Oh, sick.
I have like proper air time. Like, what am I gonna do
Me
with this
too.
time?
I was there like 200 milliseconds.
Yeah. Exactly.
Sick. Okay. Let's hope that you don't move. Don't move, okay? Good. Good boy. Here's the first one, maybe okay. Alright, man. You ready? I'm gonna put like this. Hope it's okay.
Probably.
Don't put your bike over there, the shit over there, man. And this. Oh, I don't like it. Dog shit back.
You pay way too much attention to shit, man.
That's called
Way
crap
back.
back. Don't step on the dog crap.
Damn it.
You good? Yeah, look okay now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay?
Sick. Yeah, yeah. Right. And then we can concentrate on just riding crazy stuff. How do you feel, sir?
Good, good. Good, I'm freezing.
Look at this feature. We started getting a bit crazy, don't we?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. How's the bike feeling? It's so heavy.
It's like half to the flat. Like a pink bike test.
Yeah.
Yeah, there should be enough time to be a bit higher. Yeah. Hope for the best. You got to try not to, because the back wheel here not fine. Man, you're a fucking hero, man. Oh, great job. Oh dear.
Oh my god, it did.
Whoa.
I love you, go, bro, man.
Let's send it, boy. Okay, not too bad.
How you pull up, baby?
1 foot back, yeah. Go 1 foot back. You're going to clear at least the boat then, right?
I pull up, like, how you pull up, baby? How you pull up?
We're just gradually moving the ramp back a little bit, but mate, you can't even believe. Look how steep this is. Yeah.
Some consequence behind you, man. That's building. That's a consequence.
Let's have a look.
Look at this crazy uncle. He's not satisfied with the
Sending it.
fuck it, let's do it. What do you think?
Can do. It's more, just don't like that turn, like you have to really turn. No. Clear that.
This is not stable. Yay!
That was sketchy. Hey though. Just look at the angle, you've got to come down here. Turning here,
Yeah.
and you're only getting straight here.
Yeah,
Aren't you?
you lose a lot
Look
of
how
speed.
close you are before you get straight.
Maybe it's good, maybe it's limit your speed and you need to boost more.
Should be alright. We can
Let's-
carry on for a bit if you want
Yeah,
to try it.
yeah.
Get used to it. Like I said, you can't get much speed. It's good because I'm clearing that top bit anyway.
Yeah. I know. Feet come up, I'm gonna die. Nice.
The show's got more confidence though, because I never would have said this on someone else's voice. That was sketchy,
Okay, time to wrap it up.
So let me see if I can do this then. So
Yeah, so this,
pushes. So you better off from here, then that's it.
and then you
This lifts
pop,
out of here.
yeah, and turn the lower part. Ah. No.
Oh, that way.
Right.
Like that. That's it.
That's it.
Or we're a fan.